I confess to God before my death," end quote. In the post-birth, he should send me as a journalist. God is silent. God is worried. Hands on his head. God was worried about something quietly. I redeem the intellectual God's silence. I re-petition to him. When God asks the reason why, I replied, my mother's dream was that I would brighten the face of the world as a journalist, whereas I was a gangster. I heard that the prayer of the mother was accepted. I have not found any truth in this proverb. I have never seen any mother's prayers to be accepted. O God, all the mothers of the earth are not my mother. Therefore I want to accept the prayer of my mother at least. God is silent. God is worried. Hands on his head. What did God think was silent? Imagine immediately after, the God ordered me to take away my life. My generation started processing. Step 1. I woke up 4 legs. The beard is spit upon. I called like a goat. God is worried and he's still thinking. Step 2. God is thinking about my diet cycle. The crisp grass in front of me was fragrant flesh and pulaus. I do not eat perfume flesh and pulaus. I raised my face in the crisp grass. Step 3. Worried God's smile on his face. And he shouted with joy. Yes, perfect. Your mother's prayer has been accepted.